Hello, my name is Marvin Watts, and this is my construction safety project for Dr. Nick's class. I did my construction project over utility poles, and I chose the regular wooden utility poles that you'd see driving down the highway, as you see here. I have three wires, electrical wires running to each pole, and one running to a ground box here, transmission box into the ground, and a truck with 3 workers. And in our project, we had to cover 5 industry standards. I did 5 violations of those standards, and my first violation standard is standard number 1926.954 over personal protective equipment in electrical construction sites. Employees in the area are supposed to maintain all PPE. You can see here that this worker has no fall protection, helmet, arc rated, flame resistant clothing, no gloves. And you can see here, it's throughout, no worker here has gloves, helmet, safety helmet, flame resistant, arc rated clothing. And so that is my first violation. My second violation was the standard number 1926.453 over aerial lifts. Employees are required to mount the aerial lifts before use and use the necessary fall protection here. And you can see, if I can move it a little bit, but you can see it's not mounted at all. And my third industry standard that I covered was the standard number 1926.1425. It's keeping clear of the load for this worker here. This worker needs to be worker is directly below the extended lift in the fall zone, and he's just standing there not participating in any work, just causing him just a hazard, and has no business being there. And my fourth violation was industry standard number 1926.416, general requirements. This is going to be over this right here. This is a down electrical wire by a worker that has no PPE on, and that could cause a big casualty to the worker and everybody around. My fifth and final violation was under standard number 1926.417. It's a lockout and tagging out of circuits, and all of these are still alive. None of these were tagged out. All of them are still alive, and so every worker that is close to these or doing work, especially these two, are susceptible or are very likely to get electrocuted and could die. And I will do a little closer shot. You can see my workers have no PPE on, no fall protection. See this worker below the lift. You see this worker by a live wire with no PPE on.